Yo, Krazy Superman here with Krazy Batman. We are dropping another bomb. Check it out. Carla can do this crazy jump rope like a professional. No wonder she can learn Segway in like 5 seconds. Her control, her body, her movement is like a professional grade.
Unbreakable, unstoppable, invincible.
Yo, Krazy Superman here with Krazy Batman. We just trained another random stranger in the park to ride the Segway S Max, and very soon the next step will be the EUC. So how was your first time experience riding the Segway? Krazy Superman here. I am now at King George Station with my Segway S Plus, and just now I picked up this small DJI camera. So far so good. The Krazy Batman has been mastered the Emotion VAF, the big hamster wheel, and now he's going to demonstrate and tell us a little bit about this electric unicycle. Let's go!
What's up, guys? Okay, this is a very smooth one.
What language you speak?
Spanish.
Oh.
I'm from Mexico.
Oh, I see. Okay, use Spanish, explain your experience.
Okay, fue muy divertido y muy fácil. Al principio sí te da un poquito de miedo porque necesitas equilibrio. Es muy ligero ¿cómo se llama esto? What's the name?
Segway S Max.
The Segway
Yeah.
es muy ligero, entonces con cualquier movimiento que realices en tu cuerpo se mueve demasiado, se mueve súper fácil. Pero ya que le agarras el modo es muy divertido.
Google Translator, I understand everything you just said.
Okay.
So how long you been in Canada?
9 months.
Oh.
I really like this one because the V8 in motion is very smooth. This can go up very fast. This can go very fast. And yeah. Yo. Alright. Here's this side. If I was known! Woo!
Anybody home? Anybody home? We need to take a poop. This area is kind of a scooter, Segway, UC friendly. Wow, so amazing! This is unbelievable. So we'll see how this video turn out, how the sound, the wind noise. Easy good ride with big hamster, small hamster, and electric skateboard. And today the cameraman gonna be the Krazy SRT.
Krazy SRT dropping a bomb!
Okay.
Here's the back view. Yeah, this is very smooth, but since it's very heavy, it's going to move a lot. So yeah, okay guys, we're going very fast right now. Oh my god, watch this guys. Oh. It's very fast and very windy too.
Don't know how the audio will sound like. And I got a bunch of accessories, including a case, 3 battery, charger, and this is kind of cool. This is like a filter. Pro, you can put on different filter. I'm not exactly sure how to use this. First time got this. So let's go for a fun ride. And let's go!
Whee!
Skateboard is difficult. Look at her control. Ah, fail. Wow, so amazing. This is unbelievable. Learn. Cheers. Cheers. To unlimited success and happiness. So just now we're waiting at the water bucket, and there was this Mexican girl, and I approached her. Do you want to try the Segway? Like with anyone, it's like that. It's like, oh, this thing look kind of difficult. It's a little bit scary.
No, sorry. I should think about it more. Okay, I'll give it a try. She wrote it and did it.
Because prior to that, I was playing around by myself, and she saw a little bit. So that kind of built up in her mind. Oh, maybe this is fun. Maybe I can do it. And she learned it like instantly, like 5 minutes. And she was able to go around the whole park. And then after she did one, she wanted to do the second time. She's like, oh, I want to go one more time.
Hey, we got a tornado, please! Woo!
I'm still editing. It takes time to do the editing. You know how much I got this? $100. Yeah. I got 3 battery, a bunch of accessory, and a bunch of different filter. This is a very good deal. Cause this DJI camera is very smooth, quality very good.
And we're going to stop at 3, 2, 1.
Woohoo! Look at that, this is incredible. And just like 3 weeks ago, Krazy Superman doesn't even know how to ride electric UC, but now look at it, riding like a pro. Please like our video, thumb up, share, subscribe. You want people to comment?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Sometimes there's some haters.
It's okay.
Okay, we'll open up the comment and comment below what you think of his ride. We'll talk to you guys next time. Ciao.
Ciao.
Thanks to
We'll see you around.
Thanks to
Like this
Omar.
video, thumb up, and subscribe. We'll talk to you guys next time. And comment?
And comment down below.
Comment Krazy Superman dropping the bomb right now.
Ciao.
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 Okay, we'll talk to you guys next time.
Plastic.
Bye for now. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye. Say bye.
Bye. I thought he got arrested.
He did not get arrested.
No, what do you mean, bro? He just got kicked
He's
out.
right there.
So each hour is only $50, and your first lesson is half price. So go ahead. Do not hesitate. Make the appointment now. You're gonna have a very fun experience with our UC classes.
And not only you see, but Segways too.
Yeah, it is about learning, training your mind.
And always try new things.
Yeah. Stop hesitating. Just make appointment now. Will make your life really happy.
Try your best.
Okay, ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao.